February 28 marks the celebration of Día de Andalucía, Andalucia Day, which commemorates the 1980 referendum on the Statute of Autonomy of Andalucia. This referendum allowed the people of Andalucia to vote for the region to become an autonomous community. The regional referendum took place just over a year after the Spanish Constitution was established on December 6, 1978, following 40 years of dictatorship. As a public holiday across all 8 provinces in the region, Huelva, Cádiz, Seville, Malaga, Jaén, Córdoba, Granada, and Almería, many banks, public buildings, and shops will be closed, and there will be festivities in villages, towns, and cities throughout the region. Although each province in Andalusia possesses its own distinct characteristics, there are several unifying factors that bind the entire region together. These include the Andalusian accent, flag, anthem, and coat of arms. If you enjoy these videos, please consider liking and subscribing to stay updated with future content.